Presenting the 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: CD player, 4-wheel drive, security system, fog lamps, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, ABS, power mirror, and front reading lamps. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.